Hello guys, this is Adeep and welcome back to another video from MotorHub. This year is the 2021 Renault Triber. It is one of the best 7-seater budget MUVs available in the sub 10 lakh price bracket. In fact, the Renault Triber has secured a 4-star safety rating in the global NCAP crash test. Before going further into the video, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss any of my future videos. Now the Renault Triber is available in 5 color options and the one in front of us is the Moonlight Silver. Renault provides 2 years of 50,000 kilometers warranty as standard and it can be further extended by paying a premium. The Triber gets only one engine option, which is the 1 litre MPFI petrol engine available in both manual and automatic as well. The automatic unit is an AMT. Coming to dimensions, it is sub 4 meters in length, 3.99 to be precise, 1.73 meters in width, 1.64 meters in height, and the wheelbase happens to be 2.63 meters. It is available in 4 variants, the RXZ, RXL, RXT and the top of the line RXZ, which is right in front of us, and it packs the following safety features: 4 airbags, ABS with EBD, high speed alert, reverse parking sensors, pedestrian protection compliance, speed sensing auto door lock, impact sensing auto door unlock, reverse parking camera, seat belt warning, and ISOFIX style seat mounts. The Renault Triber gets this key card along with keyless entry, and it gets remote boot release, light and lock and unlock options on the remote. Up front it gets these projector headlamps which are halogen, turn indicator placed over here, and down here you get the daytime running lights with chrome inserts. You also get chrome on the front grille, bold Renault logo. Straight ahead, let's open the engine bay. And under the hood is Renault's 1 litre 3-cylinder naturally aspirated MPFI petrol engine, which produces a peak power of 71 bhp and a torque of 96 Nm, and it is mated to a 5-speed manual or automatic gearbox. Insulation right there to reduce engine noise from seeping into the cabin. And moving to the sides, it gets this black color body cladding, turn indicator placed right there, dual tone alloy wheels, and the tire size happens to be 185 by 65 R15, mirror with turn indicator. All the chrome parts fitted are optional accessories, no request sensor even on the driver's door. And moving to the rear of the vehicle, you get halogen tail lamps, and down here you get the energy badging, reverse parking sensors, chrome strip running across the boot lid, Triber badging, Renault logo, high mount stop lamp, luggage carrier on the roof, rear wiper, and down here you get a silver colored skid plate, and the ground clearance happens to be 182 millimeters. This is the reverse parking camera of the vehicle, and it gets an electronic boot release. The boot capacity is at 84 liters, and you can further increase the boot carrying capacity by reclining the last row seats to make it a 625 liters boot. Adequate amount of space for the third row passengers as well. You get a 12-volt power outlet over here, and you get some storage space, and you can recline the last row of seats as such by pulling the lever on top. Moving to the middle row seats, the rear door feels quite sturdy and opens quite wide. The rear door pockets can also accommodate 1 litre water bottles, speaker placed right there, Renault badging, and the middle row seats are wide enough and can also be adjusted for recline as well. The middle row seats get twin adjustable headrests. And moving in, adequate amount of knee room and leg room. Headroom is also not an issue, and under thigh support is also good. The middle row passengers also get a 12-volt power outlet over here, and this is the fan control for the rear passenger AC. Some storage space, which is a cool glove box. And moving to the front, The ORVMs project the Triber logo down here right there. These are the controls for the windows and outside rear view mirrors. This is to lock or unlock the windows. These are for the power windows, and this is for the outside rear view mirrors. The front driver seat is adjustable for both reach and height. No dead pedal on offer. And this is to open the fuel lid of the vehicle. The Renault Triber gets a 3-spoke steering wheel with wiper controls on the left and the headlight stalk on the right. And it gets an 8-inch touchscreen system, which we'll come to in a bit. And down here you get a switch for the hazard lights, lock and unlock button, and the front defogger. This is to lock, this is for the hazard switch. And you get manual AC control. And the controls feel quite premium. Start or stop button placed over here, and you get a mobile holder with some storage space over here. USB charging socket right there. And this is the gear lever of the vehicle, handbrake, and this is the middle glove box, which is a cool one. And the interior is finished in dual tone for the RXZ variant, and you get a glove box over here on the top, which is not a cooled one. And down here you get another glove box, which is quite large for a car of this size. And coming to the instrument cluster, as soon as you turn on the ignition, it does a full swipe of the digital instrument cluster. You get RPM meter to the left, MID in the middle, and engine temperature meter to the right. In the MID it shows digital speedometer, average speed, average mileage, twin trip meters, range, instantaneous fuel consumption, service intervals, and you also get some telltale lights to the right